Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. Today I want to review. Let's put our hands out. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, and yesterday was Monday. Let's do it one more time because I want you to teach someone around you today. That's part of your homework. Let's do it again. Today is Monday. Tomorrow, I did it wrong. Today is not Monday. Today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Yesterday was Monday. Very good. Okay, so as I'm looking at our schedule today, we have a few things that we need to do. The first thing we're going to do together is this page right here. Looks just like this. It says words with O-I, O-Y, A-U, and A-W. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to circle. Can you circle with me O-I and O-Y and make them in a circle? And A-U and A-W and put them in a circle. Because these two make the same sound, and these two make the same sound. These both say oi. Can you say oi? Oi, yes. And these two, A-U and A-W, say ah. Can you say ah? All right, so let's go over some of these. Here's this first word. It's B, so that's a B. And then we know O-Y, we say oi, so it's boy. Good. Can you find the picture of the boy and put the word there? Let's go down here. We have a K. O and an I say oi, k, oin. Find the coin. Let's do one with an A-W. P. What does A-W say again? Ah, good. So it's p, ah, paw. Can you find the paw? And last one, let's do an A-U one. So this one right here. What sound does A-U make? Ah, ah, and we know CH makes ch. So it's ah, ch. Launch. Good. Which one of these is launching? Good. So that's just a review of a few of those words. So make sure you do the rest of those. And then you need to turn the page. So on the back of that is your social studies and science work for today. So today we're going to be learning about hammerhead sharks. If you watch this video, you can do it with me, and I'm going to help you with some of the answers, okay? So that's why it's so important to watch these videos. Let's read together. Hammerhead sharks are known for their unusual shape of their head. It has special sensors that helps them to find their prey. They also use their head to trap prey on the ocean floor. Hammerheads are often found in warm tropical waters. They are known to spend a lot of time in the shallow water along the shore. Hammerhead sharks are thought to be safe to dive with. They very rarely attack humans, which means if you hear someone maybe was in a shark attack and someone got bit by a shark, that doesn't happen very often. It's super rare, and especially with hammerhead sharks. Hammerhead sharks don't usually bite anyone. So let's read question number 1. It says, how does a hammerhead shark find prey? So I'm going to go look through my text again, and I see right here it says it has special sensors that help to find prey. So I'm going to underline special sensors. That's how they find prey. So I'm going to write special sensors in there. Special sensors. Now normally, and when you guys get to 2nd and 3rd grade, you'll have to write in complete sentences to answer your question. So you would say, hammerhead sharks find prey by using their special sensors. That would be the perfect way to answer that question. But for now, we're just going to write special sensors because I just want to know that you can answer that question. Number 2, are hammerheads usually found in deep waters or shallow waters? Well, let's go back. And it says they are known to spend a lot of their time in shallow waters. I'm going to underline shallow water, and then I'm going to write that in there. Shallow waters. So I just wrote shallow waters in there. All right. Number 3, how do hammerheads trap their prey? How do hammerheads trap their prey? Ooh, I can see the word trap. I found it. I skimmed, which means I looked, and I found the word trap. So I'm going to read that sentence. They also use their head to trap prey on the ocean floor. So how do hammerheads trap their prey? By using their, So I'm going to put they use their heads. Now, if I say they use their heads and I write all that in, I got to use my THEIR because I'm talking about their heads. Does their head belong to their body? Yeah, so it's THEIR. Questions number 4 and 5, I'm going to let you find yourself, but I will read them. Number 4, why are hammerheads thought to be safe to dive with? Why is it okay? And last, what are hammerhead sharks known for? It's the last question, but you're going to find the answer at the beginning of your text. So have fun reading about hammerhead sharks. Now, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we always have an extra page for our social emotional learning. So that's our feelings and how we can regulate our emotions. So your page today is about regulating your emotions. So you need to circle all of the things that can help you calm down. And then you need to write, I can calm down by, and write something that helps you calm down. That allows us to take a deep breath if we're feeling stressed out, or if we're anxious, or we're getting worried, or we cannot finish this packet because there's so much papers, yeah? If that's the case, you need to put the packet down and you need to breathe for a second, or you need to go read a book, or you need to go on a walk. Guys, that's okay, friends, okay? I know that it's so hard to watch Miss Gregory on your computer. It's so hard. And so I want you all to do this right here. Can you all give yourself a pat on the back and a round of applause? Yeah, give yourselves a round of applause and a pat on the back because you guys are doing amazing and Miss Gregory is so proud of you, okay? So last thing for today, we're going to go back to math. And this math, I think you guys, with shapes is so much fun. Yeah, I have lots of fun with it. So over here, we are combining different 3D shapes. We're combining what? 3D shapes. What? 3D shapes. Good. So I've got 2 shapes right here. And if I put them in different places, look, they can be like all this. I could put this under, I can put this above, I can put it next to. There's so many ways that I could stack things. So we need to look at these 2 down here. What, if you look, I've got a cylinder, it goes around, and I've got a cube. Now, which one of these uses both my cylinder and my cube? Which one? Yeah, this one over here. It has both of those shapes combined. That uses a rectangular prism and a cube. I don't have the rectangular prism over here. So I can cross this one out. And I will circle this one because that's the correct answer. Now let's look at these 2. I've got a rectangular prism. And I've also got, I've also got a cylinder. So I've got a rectangular prism and a cylinder on number 2 right here. So which one of these uses a rectangular prism and a cylinder? Yeah, this one over here. This one uses a cone and we don't have a cone. So we're going to circle the second one. So I circled the second one again because it uses both of those shapes. All right, last one. I've got a cone and a rectangular prism. Which one uses both of those shapes? Yeah, the first one. I see my cone and my rectangular prism. That one has a cylinder. I don't have a cylinder over here, so that one can't be the answer. So I'm going to circle the first one, X on the second one. Awesome job. Give me a thumbs up if you understand that we can stack two things on top of each other. And go to the next page. This is the page that you are going to do on your own. So you need to look at these shapes and tell me which shape is combining those two. There is one more page that we need to do together, so give me 1 second. Actually, that is all we're doing together today, but you have to complete this page on your own, and then you also need to complete this page on your own, but we're going to do this question together. It says, circle the shapes that you could use to model the ice cream cone. So let's look at this ice cream cone. I see two different shapes. If I look closely, I can see this right here. What is that shape? Where is it over here? Yeah, it's this right here. It's my cone. Okay, and then what would be a good shape for my ice cream at the top? Would it be my rectangular prism, my cylinder, or my sphere? Yeah, it'd be my sphere. So those two shapes come together and they make my ice cream. Now down here, you got to circle 3 ways that you could make the same shape. So circle 3 of those that are the same shape. One of them's not the right shape. And last, down here, you need to use your rectangular prism and your cone and figure out which one uses all of those. You can mark as many as you can that use those 2 shapes. And lastly, you do have this page to do today as well. This is page 12. These are your words to know. And we're going to learn these ones in sign language really fast. So our first one is the word buy. Let's spell it. B-U-Y. Now I'm going to pay for something. I'm going to buy something. Can you do it with me? B-U-Y. One more time. B-U-Y. Good. Let's learn city. C-I-T-Y. Again, C-I-T-Y. C-I-T-Y. I'm going to turn off my voice. Sign city. Can you sign buy? Good. Not like bye-bye, but like pay for something. Buy. B-U-Y. Now the next one's myself. I'm going to tap it 2 times. Myself. Myself. So if I go to the store and I'm all alone, I'm by myself. Very good. And last, put your hands like this and clap together 2 times. 2 times. That's a sign for school. So school, school. It even claps out our syllables for us. Myself, school. S-C-H-O-O-L. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. So you need to read these questions and find the word that goes in there. That is all you have to do today. So have an awesome, awesome Tuesday. Don't forget that Lexia in that dream box. You may call me. You can message me. We can set up a Zoom call. We will be setting up a Zoom for tomorrow. So make sure you look at that. We will have one at 11 o'clock on Wednesday. So get your work done. I will be uploading grades all week this week. So if your parents have access to the grade book, they can get on and they can make sure I have all of your stuff. And I think that's it. Have a great Tuesday, you guys. I miss you and I love you all. Mwah!